Hi and salam sejahtera, especially to my lecturer, Madam Umi Raida, and to every one of you who are currently viewing this video. I wish all of you welcome to this video. And technically, this video is about my presentation, which my topic will be about sex education. Okay, I believe that not many people actually chose this topic, and so I decided to go on with this topic because I believe that this is one of the current social issues that are going on in our country today. And also, I hope that by doing this video I could help create awareness among youths and teens as well. So let's check out the video. Alright, so firstly, why I choose this topic is because it is one of the current social issues that are going on in Malaysia today. And as you can see, right, based on my research that I have done, especially during the pandemic, there's a slight increase of number in abortion among youths. So that is why I decided to go on with this topic, and hopefully it gets to create awareness. Right, so firstly, let's talk about why is sex education important. Okay, so why is sex education important? Alright, so mainly the objective of this whole presentation is to create awareness and also to help educate kids about the structure of body, and as well as to acquire the knowledge about birth. Okay, so sex education can be a little bit tough to teach among children, but hopefully it works, especially among teenagers. Okay, so why we want to educate students nowadays about sex education is we want them to know what could go wrong if something bad happened. Alright, so there are many side effects that could occur from doing intercourse, okay, such as HIV and AIDS. So we want to educate these students the safer way to have sex, and also what is the suitable manner that children should practice in order to be a respectful person. Okay, so as you can see, based on my research, kadar keguguran semakin meningkat dalam kalangan remaja. So students, especially remaja, they are aware about this issue. So I think it's our responsibility to educate these students in how to be a proper person and behave in a proper manner. Okay, so firstly, my main point here is because teens need to know the safer options for them. Okay, and my point here is not that I encourage youths or teenagers to do intercourse. No, but the point of this video is to educate them what are the safer way for them to have intercourse. Alright, so I believe that teenagers need to be taught in a proper manner, and also a proper way of thinking, and also a safer way to do intercourse. Alright, I think it's our responsibility to educate them, and also it's better if we educate students and teenagers about intercourse rather than waiting for them to be exposed towards pornography. So that is one of the main reasons why sex education is important. Alright, so secondly, why sex education is important, because I believe that by educating teenagers about sex education, it helps to build a good relationship between parents and children. Okay, so by practicing this, it could actually help to create a warm and harmonious atmosphere among families, and also to let children feel that they are being loved and being cared for, and as well as to provide opportunities for children to cultivate different interests, and as well as to let them participate in different groups. Alright, so for the third point, why sex education is important is because okay, so for this point, it's actually not really focused on students, but it's general, so which means parents can also practice this habit for a better environment among their families. Okay, so for the third point is understand yourself as well as your children. Okay, so this point, it actually means that to build a mutual trust between parents and children. Okay, it also means that to participate in your children's conversation, okay, and laughter. So by practicing this, it could actually help especially parents to understand their mind and their culture especially, okay, and also this could make them feel to be more open to talk about this topic, because I think that parents plays a vital role for them to educate about what is sex education, because parents tends to be the closest person towards their child. So they must have how do I say this, a perfect bond, I guess. Okay, relationship yang bagus, yang cukup kuat sampai tak malu untuk meluahkan perkara-perkara yang macam ni, and also they have the courage to ask their parents about this kind of things. So in other words, it actually helps to build a proper atmosphere among parents and children, and also children would be not worried to share what is on their mind and what they are thinking of. So this would be much better for them to know more about sex education, especially when they have a perfect bond between parents and children, and whereby mostly children are open-minded to talk about this to their parents. So I believe that if children are open-minded enough to talk about this to their parents, parents would be able to educate them more about intercourse, and also parents plays the vital role to educate their children how to behave properly, to have a proper manner, and as well as to avoid intercourse at a younger age. So that is why I believe sex education is important. And also I hope that this video helps to create awareness, especially among youths and teenagers, and I really hope that all of you learn something from this video. Okay, so I guess that is all from me. I would like to thank all of you for watching this video, and also I would like to thank my lecturer, Madam Umi Raida, for giving me the opportunity to present about this topic. Thank you.